Hi students, this is Nikita, your IT trainer. Today let us learn about managing list, sort, numbering and customizing in a word processing. You may already know that we can use numberings and bullet list in a word processing. It is easy for us to maintain a point to be remembered, procedure listing, tips and subpointing, etc. Also, it is useful to prepare a question paper model. While creating a question paper, you need a multiple types of listing and numberings, such as Roman number for a question title, like fill in the blanks, answer the following, and match the following, etc. Usually, what people do, they keep changing the number for each headings and questions continuously. It needs lots of patience and consume more time. To avoid it, you can simply write a question and title list continuously. Now bold all the titles so that you could rectify easily which is the title and which is not. And now select all, go to numbering, choose a number list that is appropriate for you. This will add continuous number to all the contents that have been typed. Now click in front of the title that been bolded. Now hold Ctrl, go to numbering, choose the Roman number for all the titles. Now, if the numbering is mismatching, right click in front of it again, choose continuous numbering. It gives a number list continuous numbering. I have a doubt. What if the number list now is disconnected and need to be started at the 1 for each questions? Now, to do that, after the title, go to the first question, starting point. Now, right click, select restart at 1. All set. You can also set the multi-level listing in a word processing, meaning the main heading, the subheading and subsection heading. You can set a numbering for all these three using multi-level listing technique. Or you can also create a new multi-level list for your own self. It is called customization by clicking on define new multi-level list option. Now let us learn sorting a list. You can sort a list. To do so, create a name list of your friends. Example, Niman, Vedant, Gagan, Krupa, Jagat, Jeevan, Anandi as I did here. Now you can select all with the Ctrl A option. Go to numbering option. Set a number list for all. Now observe the changes. The number have been set for all the names. Now while observing, the name is not in an alphabetical order. To set it so, click on A to Z option. Now there will be a window appeared in front of you, sort text window. Let the sort by option be paragraph itself, since every words are separated by enter. You can specify the item depending upon whether it's a text or a date or a number type. I am leaving it as a text since it's a text. Now choose the order as ascending, meaning A to Z order, or descending, meaning Z to A, reverse order. Now observe your list being ordered or sorted in an alphabetical manner. Now moving on to the next chapter, adding watermark. Nowadays it is that easy to copy someone's work or a hardship and renaming it for a name or a credit. This happens when a ownership on a document is not mentioned. To avoid this situation, we can use watermarks on our document and avoid copyright issues for future. Watermark is a text or an image embedded as a background of a document. To set it, go to Page Background group of a Page Layout tab and click on Watermark drop-down list. You can use the predefined set of watermarks available on a list like this. Or you can create your own with a custom watermark option. Click on Custom Watermark. A watermark customization window appears. You can use either picture or a logo of your company as a watermark, or you can use text watermark. For text watermark, choose text watermark. You can also change your language too. On text section, on a place of ASAP, remove it and add your own text. Say as your company name, your name or author name. You can now format the font, size and color of the text. On layout, you can choose the direction of a text. Click apply and OK. Now observe the watermark on a page. This watermark will never affect the text typed on your empty page. Now moving on to the next chapter, table manipulation. Create a simple table, maybe like this. You can sort data as we did earlier, like we used A to Z option. Even in the table, you can either sort the text type or a number type for this table with the same procedure but with a different option and a different platform for the table sorting. Now go to Layout tab and a Data group, select Sorting option. Rest all options are the same. Choose the sort type and item type, ascending or descending radio button. Now click OK, done. Now what if I ask you, can you perform calculation using formula in a word processing software just like a spreadsheet? What's your answer? Just comment below in a comment section. And the answer is yes from my side. You can calculate the answer in a word process too. Now you may be as smart as I was in my earlier days and says yes, you can type 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 and the calculation is done. No, not that way. I want you to add the values in this table using a formula. I'll show you how. To do so, in front of your values to be added or in a total box, click your cursor. Now go to Layout tab, Data group. Now click on formula icon. Now by clicking on it, you will get a window opened. Inside formula text box, there will be a sum formula automatically exist. If not, type is equal to sum bracket open left. The meaning left means adding the left side values. Bracket close. OK and observe the changes. Now observe your values will be added automatically. This calculation is suitable for simple calculations only on a word processing, not for complex problem, remember it. You can also insert or delete a column and row in an existing table for above, below and right and left. To do that, go to Layout tab, Rows and Column group in a word process. Now add or delete the rows and columns easily with the drop down list. Now you can also merge the cells. To do that, select two different cells in a rows or column. Go to Layout tab, Merge group and choose Merge Cells options. It will be made as single cell. Now to split or divide those cells, place a cursor on it. Select Split Cell option under Merge Group in a Layout tab. In a window similar to this, type number of columns or rows. Click OK. The job done. You can also apply different design to your table. Click on Table. The New Design tab appears. Select it. Choose predefined designs on your table. Notice the changes. Now, customizing design of your own is also possible. For that, click on a mouse icon in a Table Styles group and a Design tab. Select New Table Style. A Create New Style Formatting dialog box appears. Start formatting your ideas of colors, font, background, etc. Your new customized design is now ready. This video class has covered 3 chapters of word processing in a part 1. Stay tuned for a part 2. And to create this content, I have used multiple paper sources scripts and lot of researchers So please show value to this hard work with a like and subscribe button. Thank you so much.